How to log out of Rainbow Six Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily log out of the Rainbow Six Mobile game. So here's how you do it. First thing to do is to launch open the game on your device. Wait until the game loads, and once you are inside the lobby page, which looks like this, go ahead and tap on the gear icon on the main screen at the top right corner. Once you're inside this settings menu, go ahead and tap on the account and legal option at the bottom left, and then you will come across this page where you will see a logout button at the top right. Click the logout button in order to sign out, and in the pop-up click on yes. You'll then be sent to the login screen of Rainbow Six Mobile, which means you have successfully logged out of the account. Your progress is usually saved in your Ubisoft account. You can log back in any time using the same account info. So there you have it. You have successfully logged out of Rainbow Six Mobile game on your mobile device or your tablets or iPads. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.